you serious? I was just playing Forgotten Desert and I wasn't recording, and so I quickly just chucked it on because look at what we just won in the Forgotten Desert doing silver solo. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is awesome. This is so cool, see? You can win anything in this adventure. It's so great. Oh my god. So I'm just going to let it roll now and just show you some prizes that I win throughout the rest of the time I'm on. Alright. Oh my god. How cool is that? Like, oh, by the way, these diamond spikes are in the shop with other spikes. These ones, Zeus, Lyra, Lava, and Donut. How cool. So make sure you stock up on these. I think these are only for 1 day, and then they change, I believe. These are here for 4 days. So yeah, get on that. Ground chest. And oh my god, it is a lucky day. This is the second spike. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. How is that even possible? Oh, what? Like, so I've been recording. So it started here. 4 junkie items and another spike. Are you serious? Not the kind of spike I wanted. The ground chest prize. Another ground chest prize. Another ground chest prize. Magenta!